Notre Dame is Paris.
Very much so.
I really thought the whole thing was going to get lost.
I could imagine.
I did. I'm so glad it was just the roof. Lots of people have pledged millions of dollars to help restore the church. That's history right there.
The thing about it is, so Assassin's Creed, the most hated game in the Assassin's Creed thing actually takes place in Paris. And it's Assassin's Creed Unity. And it's one where they tried multiplayer and a whole bunch of different stuff and people just hated it. You actually have 4 missions that take place in and around Notre Dame. And so they said that they're actually going to use those missions from that to look at it. And because it's all, like, they actually went, Assassin's Creed goes to the places that they're actually doing and takes photos, and it's like they just take the photos and CG in it. So they're going to use the game to help rebuild Notre Dame.
Cool.
That's what I thought was amazing. I was like, that is so neat. Architects are going to get to go around playing as an assassin and walk around Notre Dame and see how it is in the game and try to rebuild it exactly how it is.
That's awesome. That's pop culture, like,
Usage right there.
influencing history.
That's
That's
amazing.
cool. I like that.
History influencing pop culture to make the video game, and then pop culture re-influencing history.
Yeah.
I love it.
Sweet.
You can go blurry.
We're over here.
Oh, okay.
No, over here.
Here. There.